Well, we'll give thanks to Almighty God, and this is victory for democracy. It's unfortunate the country where we are. If you will try to, pick a man back, police is under the exclusive list of the federal government. And so we believe that it's the responsibility of the federal government to fund the police to fight insecurity. But there's no responsible state government, as I know it today, that is not in support of the police, in funding police, and supporting them to fight insecurity in their various states. I don't know of such a state. I'm taking a clue for River State. I don't think the police authority will say that River State is not giving them enough support in terms of fighting security. And I must commend the security agencies, the police in particular, the way they are fighting security in this state. But the issue is, what is unlawful is unlawful. What is wrong is wrong. And that's my problem, one of my problems in National Assembly. You don't make laws for certain people's interests. You went and enacted the police trust fund, which of course you have a right. But in doing that, you went beyond your powers. You went what is contrary to the provisions of the Constitution of Nigeria by saying that there should be a direct deduction for the Federation account to the police trust fund. And we said, look, this is illegal. The police trust fund is not one of those agencies listed in the Constitution to take money directly from the Federation account. And so we, as the State government, said, no, we have to challenge this. And we challenge it. And we said, look, the court should determine, is it right for the federal government to deduct money directly from the Federation account to the police trust fund? And the court said, no, they are wrong. You cannot do that. But you are not one of those agencies as listed or tiers of government as listed in the Constitution that can share directly from the Federation account. And that was the decision of the courts today. So look, this is a nullity. You can't do this. Stop doing this. And for me, it's a victory for democracy. And I've always told people, it is not whether you must win or not, but it's a matter of when you see issues that you think are in contravention of our Constitution and other laws, there's nothing really wrong for you to challenge it so that the right thing can be done. After all, if the money is given back to us, we can steal on our own. Say, police, we want to support you this. But not just arbitrarily deducting our money for the Federation account and putting it in police trust fund. I don't think that is clear. And I thank God that today that the court has made a clear pronouncement on it. Federal High Court, Abuja. And I commend the judiciary for being bold. This is what we are talking about. Things that are wrong, you must be bold to pronounce it. It is not politics. And so we commend them for taking this bold step to say this action is wrong, and that portion that says take money directly for Federation account to the police trust fund is set aside. And today I'm very happy. Well, the River State government alone went to court to challenge these deductions. And the court, in its wisdom, said, look, the only state that the money should be refunded to is Rivers State, because they are the only state that challenged this in court. And that the court is not for a Christmas to give something to people who did not ask for it. So, but with the judgment, other states can say, look, this is what is supposed to be. So we're happy that the court has said they should refund us all the money deducted. And luckily, the principal parties, Revenue and Fiscal Organization, the Accountant General, Attorney General Office, they are all involved in the case. Except they say they are going on appeal. We have no problem on appeal, but let it be that the law people have to know this is the position of the law. So if this is one of the days I'm very happy that it is not about Rivers State, but it is about the impunity. It's about the violation of the Constitution. As if anybody can wake up one early morning and just decide to do one or two things, which is wrong. And I'm happy that the decision we took were not wrong. And I thank my legal team, who, I must tell you, working seriously, working very hard to make sure that justice prevails, and justice today has prevailed.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.